Hi, welcome to Programming is Fun. My name is Anas, and in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how we can use arrays in a function as an argument. So let's begin. So in my previous tutorials, I talked about what is functions and what is arrays, and today I'm going to talk about how we can use arrays in functions. Sometimes we need to use arrays in our function. So let's make a program. We will take input from user and then we will print the array in the same function. So let's make a function for that using arrays. We will use the return type for the function is void because we are returning nothing from the function. So give the name of the function arr and then the parameters. Parameters and arguments are the same thing. Sometimes it's called parameters, sometimes it's called argument. You can call it whatever you want, either arguments or parameters. So first give the data type of the array integer because we are going to store an integer in an array. Then the parameter array and the square brackets, empty square brackets. You don't have to give the size of the array inside. We will give the size of an array in main and then int size. We will pass that size in this function parameter size. After that, print a line that cout please enter, then write size, then write values. This will print a message on the console screen that if we enter the size 5, then it will output on the screen that please enter 5 values. Similarly, if we enter 6 values, it will print please enter 6 values. Then use a for loop for int x is equal to 0, x is less than size, and x plus plus. Now this for loop works like int x is equal to 0 means the array index 0. Then it will iterate until the size. Means if the size is 5, it will iterate from 0 to 5. And because 6 less than 6 condition will be false, then it will exit from this for loop. Then write the name which we have given in the parameter. I have given there arr and write cin because we are going to store values in that way, and the square bracket and write x. This will works as array 0, 1, 2 up to the size. It will store values. Then just copy this for loop from here and paste it over here and print a line over here that cout printing values. This will tell us that now it's printing the values. Then writes change the c into the cout because now we are printing the values we have stored in our array, and then simply give a space to make it effective. And then create an integer type array, and here you have to give size of an array. So I am creating here 4 size of array and then the semicolon. And now how we can call the array function? So for that, only write the name of the function arr and then pass the parameters. The first parameter is array. Here we have only passed the name of the array, means arr. We don't have to write the square brackets here. Only write the name of the array, whatever name you have declared of your array. Array and then the comma, and then give the size of an array. The size of an array is 4 here, so write 4. And now build and run this program. I am here a semicolon again here because we have copied that code semicolon. Now build and run this code. See, please enter 4 values 12, 13, 14 and 15. Printing values 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is how we can use arrays in function. Remember that we have to write the name of an parameter with the square brackets, empty square brackets, and then we have to declare our array here. And remember that when we are passing the name of the array, we don't have to write the square brackets here. We only have to give the name of an array. So if you enter as square bracket here and 4, then you will get an array. So always remember that do not use the square brackets here, just use the name of your array. So this was the basics of how we can use arrays in our function. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you, and please give me a like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, take care, bye.